Celebrating Women of Sound Character, Part 5, Dorcas.
Good morning, brethren. May the grace and peace of God be given to you in the name of Jesus Christ.
Bonjour frères et sœurs en Christ. Que la grâce et la paix de Dieu vous soient données, au nom de notre Seigneur Jésus-Christ.
Today's devotional is based on Acts 9:36-40.
At Joppa, there was a certain disciple named Tabitha, which is translated Dorcas. This woman was full of good works, and charitable deeds which she did. But it happened in those days that she became sick and died. When they had washed her, they laid her in an upper room. And since Lydda was near Joppa, and the disciples had heard that Peter was there, they sent 2 men to him, imploring him not to delay in coming to them. Then Peter arose and went with them. When he had come, they brought him to the upper room. And all the widows stood by him weeping, showing the tunics and garments which Dorcas had made while she was with them. But Peter put them all out, and knelt down and prayed. And turning to the body he said, "Tabitha, arise." And she opened her eyes, and when she saw Peter she sat up.
Le dévotionnel de ce jour est basé sur Actes des Apôtres 9, versets 36 à 40.
Dorcas was a woman of sound character, because she was full of good works and charitable deeds.
Dorcas était une femme de caractère solide, parce qu'elle était pleine de bonnes œuvres, et d'actes de bienfaisance.
As a result of this good testimony, when she died after a period of sickness,
À la suite de ce bon témoignage, lorsqu'elle mourut après une période de maladie,
the disciples sent for Peter and the Lord used him to raise her back to life.
les disciples envoyèrent chercher Pierre, et le Seigneur l'utilisa pour la ressusciter.
Her good works virtually brought her back to life.
Ses bonnes œuvres l'ont pratiquement ramenée à la vie.
Like Dorcas, our faith must be demonstrated by sound character and good works, and the Lord will reward us greatly.
Comme Dorcas, notre foi doit être démontrée par un caractère saint, et de bonnes œuvres, et le Seigneur nous récompensera grandement.
This is all for today. Shalom.
C'est tout pour aujourd'hui. Shalom.